You've probably heard by now that one of the best ways to grow your real estate business is through content marketing. This concept is not necessarily new, but it was made super incredibly famous by Gary Vee with his whole jab, jab, hook mentality. And honestly, content marketing is something that I can personally attest to, considering that I'm doing one video per day here on YouTube. So everything that I do here is absolutely 100% content marketing, and it is paying off exponentially. So with that being said, I do realize that although content marketing is extremely important, not everybody has as much time to dedicate to content marketing as I do. Or let me rephrase that, not everyone is gonna prioritize content marketing as I do. So I wanted to make this video and help you out. I want to give you the pro tips and share with you how to get hundreds of pieces of content out every single month without investing a ton of time. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 strategies that are designed to make you a content creation machine. This is going to allow you to create a ton of content, hundreds of pieces, in fact, every single month, and you don't have to spend more than 15 minutes per day in order to achieve those results. And without getting too much into the weeds of why we're actually doing content marketing, I'm only gonna say that content marketing allows you to be the thought leader. It allows you to be seen as the authority in the space. Also, content marketing allows you to stay in front of people. It gives you a reason to email them, text them, post on social media, and just be in front of people because you have something important to share with them. So again, this video is not necessarily to convince you to do content marketing. I take it that if you're watching this video, you're looking more for the application and the practical ways to do content marketing. So let's begin. The first strategy is leveraging industry websites. Industry websites such as Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Redfin.com, and those types of industry websites that are producing content by droves. This strategy involves going to those websites and seeing what they're writing about. So going to the blog section, see what they're recording about. So going over to their video section and seeing what they're even talking about. Going to those authority websites, those industry websites that are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year curating content. So once you're on those websites, you're looking for the content that has the most engagement, aka the most popular content. And once you have that, then you're sharing that content on your social media. Now here's the thing, you wanna have your own opinion of whatever it is that you're sharing on your social media. So if you're linking directly to Zillow or Trulia as an example, to an article that you want to highlight there, be sure that you give your own perspective whenever you share it to your social media. Now personally, I wouldn't encourage you doing a direct link because you're risking your clients clicking on that link and being retargeted by these websites, and you know that these websites have their own realtors that they work with, their preferred realtors, so you're risking losing your audience and your client. So I would avoid doing the direct link. Instead, I suggest that you make a post on your social media referencing something that Zillow is talking about, referencing something that Trulia said. So make your post on your social media and then reference that, hey, Zillow's opinion is X. What do you think is actually true? Hey, Trulia is saying X, Y, and Z about the market. What do you think? So just go about it from that angle. So make sure that you're posting and referencing those articles so you're getting some traffic from there as well. Now, if you see that there's content that's super popular on these industry websites, then you want to make your own blog or make your own video about that particular topic. Now, be sure that there actually is enough engagement on that content that you're getting ready to write a blog about or record a video about, because you want to make sure that there's going to be an actual audience that's interested in that certain topic. And the second strategy to do content marketing in a hurry is by leveraging current events, leveraging those events that are happening right now that are very topical, and many of them are actually going viral. Now, the current events can be about anything, as you well know. This could be about the presidency. This could be a meme going super viral. It can be about anything. The key here is adapting it to a real estate lens. So share how current events will impact the real estate industry. And this is relatively easy to do. It doesn't matter if it's the presidency, doesn't matter if it's the economy, doesn't matter if it's anything, it will impact the real estate industry, at least somewhat. So you can easily adapt any topic to it. And the best person that I know of that adapts this type of strategy where they take whatever it is that's going on in the outside world and adapts it to real estate is Eric Simon, the founder of The Broke Agent. He's got 250,000 followers on Instagram, and all he does is adapts memes, current topics, and whatever is trending that particular day, adapts that to real estate, and his following is huge, loyal, incredible. It's one of the best follows on Instagram, so I highly suggest that you go and take a follow. And you can absolutely do the same. Just take whatever is trending in that particular day and adapt it to a real estate lens, and you're gonna have a lot of followers. And another fun and easy strategy to implement is sharing your listings on social media. Share the listings that either you have or your broker has or are just listings on the MLS. As long as you provide appropriate credit, you won't have an issue. Because at the end of the day, you're not trying to recreate the MLS on your social media. You're just trying to highlight inventory that's out there. You're trying to highlight listings that you find interesting. Now, whenever you're sharing the inventory, aka the listing, you do want to provide some commentary of why you selected that listing. So I highly suggest that you either write a little blurb about what it is about that particular listing that stood out, or make a video about it and make a commentary of why you selected it and walk people through it on the MLS. You don't have to go on location and make a video. You can sit in front of your laptop and then make a video such as like you're seeing right now. And then the third thing that I highly suggest is going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like. And the fourth strategy is actually one of my favorites. This involves creating templated videos that are already set up in templates, and all you have to do is upload images and videos, put a little bit of text, and you're off to the races. This is extremely easy content to make, and you can scale it drastically. If you use a video generator like that, you're able to churn out content very, very quickly in a couple of minutes. With these types of video generators, 90% of the work is already done. All you have to do is upload a few images, a few videos, and you're off to the races. Everything else is already done for you. The transitions are already there. The music is already there. Even B-roll is already there if you want to keep whatever they have. And all of the images that they furnish to you, you can use for commercial purposes and are royalty free. And this is actually my secret weapon. This is how I'm able to create Facebook stories, Instagram stories, Facebook ads, YouTube videos that rank on YouTube. This is how I'm able to create those very, very quickly. So while most people are spending hours and hours of editing, all I have to do is go to InVideo, swap out a few images, swap out a few pieces of text, and it's done. So this is a strategy that you can adapt to pretty much anything. It doesn't matter what type of content, what type of message you're trying to communicate. You're able to create videos on the fly. So again, I highly encourage you to check it out. It's linked down below, so don't forget your discount. And the fifth strategy to create content very, very quickly is using PLR content. So that means private label rights content that you're able to use for commercial purposes. PLR content can be found in basically every industry. However, it becomes even more valuable in the real estate industry because we all know the margins that we're talking about. The type of content that we create doesn't change all that much if we're talking about how to buy a house, how to sell a house. So it's very adaptable to what you're doing and it's evergreen. So the content marketing strategy here is purchasing PLR content for pennies. You're able to purchase a ton of content, whether that's blogs, whether that's articles, whether that's posts, including video. You're able to purchase all of this en masse and use it for your own commercial purposes. And I'll be sure to link my preferred websites down below so you can take a look. However, there is a downside, and I want to make sure that you're aware of it. The downside to PLR content is that it is being used by multiple sources. So Google is going to penalize you from a search engine perspective. So be sure that whatever it is that you purchase through the PLR content, that you're adapting it for your needs. All in all, rest assured that content marketing is here to stay. Also, rest assured that content marketing is absolutely worth it. So don't overthink it. Implement it today in your business and you're gonna see the results very, very soon. Well, now you know how to create content in record-breaking time, it's time to get back to business. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.